Hey, what's up, family? It's snowing in Georgia, so what better time to bust out my brand new Brunt boots. I just ordered these from their website. I got the Bolduc 9-inch soft toe slip-on boots. Check them out. But what better time to bust them out than to play in the snow? So let's bust these bad boys out and show you what I got from my buddies at Brunt. BruntWorkwear.com. Check it out. Oh, there's a message from the founder and CEO, Eric, right there. Got some guidelines here. These boots too snug. Our adjustable width system allows you to go from a regular fit D to a relaxed fit E+ with ease. Hell yeah. Oh, wow. Look at these waterproof boots, size 11. These bad boys look absolutely amazing. They've got the non-marking, slip-resistant, oil-resistant bottom there. Can't wait to be walking in the woods with these. Taking these to a barbecue competitions, do catering and stuff. Man, these bad boys. I love the way the leather smells. Packaged amazingly. Ruh-roh. A shout out to my friends at BruntWorkwear.com. Can't wait to try these bad boys on. Let's see what they sliding on with these. Oh, check them out, y'all. Man, these are super, super comfy. I'm going to be doing some videos with these bad boys to give you guys a full review, but I wanted to show you I busted these out on this snowy day in Georgia, everybody. Check out Brunt Workwear for your next pair of boots. What better way to try out my new boots than in the snow? Love these things. My feet are nice and toasty. The real test is to walk up these slippery steps. Let's see if I can do it. Not slipping and sliding.
Come on, let's get on. Whoa! Actual snow.
Well, after spending hours out here in the snow with my kids, the only thing that isn't freezing is my feet. Shout out to Brunt Workwear. My Brunt boots are kicking butt right now. Thank you guys so much for making an amazing product. God, my feet are so nice, so warm and toasty.